Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the K&N air filter on the 2020 Street Triple RS. Should be fun. Yeah, here's the K&N air filter. Like it says on the box, it's designed to increase horsepower and acceleration. So this 2020 Triumph Street Triple RS, it better go up to like 240 miles an hour down the straightaways on 78. Yeah, look how tiny this air filter is.
Yeah.
Man, this thing is really small. I mean, jeez. It's as tiny as this unicorn girl.
It's a tiny baby.
How fast do you think this motorcycle is going to go once we install the air filter?
More than 1 trillion miles.
Yeah, I agree. Thumbs up. She said 1 trillion miles, so hopefully it works. All right, now we're going to start installing. All right, guys, so first we're going to remove the seat cowling or seat cover. So take that out. Now we're going to remove the rider seat. That just clips out. We had to remove the seat cowling and the seat, the rider seat. Now we're going to remove the two front bolts that hold the gas tank down. So first we're going to figure out what Allen wrench is that loosens it up. So this one is at HW5 wrench. We're going to use Motion Pro's tool to get this out. I love these Motion Pro tools. Makes everything so much easier.
One out, and then we get the second one.
Alright, so now we're going to lift the tank up, and I'm going to use 2011 GSXR 600 to hold. This tube came with the GSXR, and this is what I use to hold the gas tanks up while I'm working on bikes. We removed the gas tank bolt, so now we're gonna pull the gas tank up and move it a little bit back. Yeah, so now we're gonna be removing 9 bolts, holding the airbox top cover on, and we're gonna be using a T20 like star Allen bolt tool. All right, so there's a screw all the way down the middle that we have to get, so we have to use something that's got a long leg on it, because the regular socket I have doesn't go down there. All right, update guys, it's 9 screws you got to take out. I'll show you the one. So right behind the ECU, there's another one that's hidden. So I just got that out. So now we're finally able to get the air box out. Now we can change the air filter, finally, after 9 screws. So carefully lift it up and just picture make a memory note of how this is all installed. And the throttle bodies, where the air comes in, and you see how the air filter is. See how the air filter is in the airbox? That's exactly the way we're going to put the new K&N air filter in. If we don't put it the exact same way, this will not fit in right. Yeah, if we don't put it in the right way, it won't fit right. Alright, so now that it's all in, we're gonna put all the screws back. Make sure you tighten them all the way down. Alright, so now we're just putting it all back together. These two screws. I'll start out and make sure that those Motion Pro tools are so awesome. Just make sure everything's tightened back up. Look how fast this K&N air filter makes the bike go. Jesus, it's crazy. Yeah, but it lasts for a long time, almost 1 million miles, so it's a good buy and a high flow air filter for your street. And more air adds more horsepower to our tiny little street bike. There you have it, guys. We went from 7 to 8 to 9 screws. Remember that right behind the ECU, there's a secret screw. Secret. But yeah, it's 9 screws. It wasn't too hard. The K&N air filter logo goes towards the stacks. And there you have it, guys. I mean, 9 screws wasn't too hard. I mean, that last screw was pretty hard. And there's one in the middle that you need an extension for, and then the one right in front of the ECU. Other than that, the rest are easy. Hopefully, if you guys are installing an air filter into your bike, makes it a lot easier. All right, thanks, guys.